Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be unboxing the wooden watch box sent to us by Slege. We actually reached out to them because we saw that they have a bunch of very cool and interesting products. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this exact watch box. So right off the bat, what I really like is that they have a lot of protection on all sides of the wooden watch box. And now let's unpackage the box. So here we have the box. It is going to be the wooden box with the black color. Let's also open it up. So here we have the compartment for the watches. As you can see, it is going to accommodate 8 watches. We also have this very nice piece of cloth that is maybe for cleaning your watches, to take off all the fingerprints. So this is going to be something really nice and soft. And then we have another compartment here. This is going to be the extra storage that you have. Here you can put your extra watch straps, your jewelry, so your, let's say, rings. Then if you have some cufflinks, and here you can also put some bigger parts of jewelry, also maybe some watches with a leather strap. So this is going to accommodate your 8 watch collection, maybe even 9 if you were to put one here. Maybe you can even put one here without any straps, even some tools in order to replace straps. So it is going to be something really nice. The finishing is going to be really smooth. You can actually see the quality. Also, you can see that all the details matter to them. The finishing on the hinges looks very, very good. You can see that as well. And then also how it closes, how it opens up. Here we also have their logo right here. I really like the display that they have, so the glass, and also the cushions seem very, very soft to the touch. I'm going to put in 8 watches, and also I'm going to fill this compartment as well so that you can see how it looks with everything inside. And this is going to be the final result. So as I mentioned, we have 8 watches here. So these are my 8 watches, some vintage Rolex watches, the Casio Automatic, the Hamilton, a Festina chronograph, a Zenith vintage gold tone. Here we have another chronograph and the Casio G-Shock watch. Here I also have one of my wife's watches, as you can see, an Armitron. I also have to put a new watch battery inside this one, some 2 extra leather watch straps, and my wife's jewelry. So as you can see, this is going to be a very useful watch box for both him and her, and you can even combine them. So you can let's say have your 4 watches and her 4 watches. You can have some extra straps. You can have even the tools, so the spring bar removal tool, some extra straps as well. So that is going to be something really useful, and it is going to look very, very nice. They have a bunch of colors to choose from. So in case you have brown furniture, you can go with brown. You can choose from their other colors as well. And they also have different dimensions. So this is going to be, I believe, their biggest box, the one with the 8 slots. And you can go with one that has 6 slots I've seen, and also maybe a few less as well. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular watch box, and I would definitely recommend to check out all of their products because this one is very nicely built and a great deal for the money. So the quality is going to be more in the premium range compared to the price that you pay for it, guys. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below, as well as a link to this particular watch box. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.